The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues its reign as the benchmark of luxury sedans, combining cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and timeless elegance. In this 8-minute video, we take a deep dive into everything that makes the 2025 S-Class stand out, from its design and features to its performance and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 S-Class maintains the signature design language of Mercedes-Benz, but with subtle upgrades. The front grille is more refined with chrome detailing, flanked by digital light LED headlamps that now offer adaptive projection technology. The body lines are smoother, more aerodynamic, and the flush door handles pop out early when needed. The car sits on standard 19-inch alloy wheels, with options going up to 21 inches for those who want a sportier stance. Every detail screams sophistication and precision. Under the hood, the S-Class comes with several engine options. The base model, the S500 4MATIC, features a 3.0-litre inline-six turbo engine with EcoBoost, delivering 429 horsepower and 384 pounds-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. The S580 4MATIC, powered by a 4.0-litre V8 bi-turbo engine, also with EcoBoost, produces 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. All models come standard with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive for superior handling and traction. Inside, the cabin is where the S-Class truly defines itself. The interior feels like a luxurious private jet, thanks to rich materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, and a 64-color ambient lighting system. The 2025 model introduces the second generation of the MBUX infotainment system with a massive 12.8-inch LED central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with 3D effects. Voice control is more intuitive, and the haptic feedback system ensures precise interaction with every touch. For rear passengers, comfort is king. The executive rear seat package offers reclining seats with massage functions, heating, ventilation, and even a heated neck cushion. There's also a rear seat entertainment system with dual 11.6-inch displays, allowing passengers to stream content independently or control media up front. The Burmester 4D surround sound system brings studio-quality audio, using seat-integrated exciters to deliver immersive vibration-based sound. On the technology front, the S-Class is loaded with advanced driver assistance features. These include active distance assist, active lane change assist, and a more capable adaptive cruise control. The car also features a Level 3 autonomous driving system in markets where regulations permit it. Parking is nearly fully automated thanks to a 360-degree camera system, active parking assist, and a new remote parking function controlled via smartphone. A new innovation in the 2025 S-Class is the energizing air control system, which filters particles, pollen, and odors using an intelligent climate control system. It even monitors air quality and provides updates via the central display. There's also an updated augmented reality head-up display, showing real-time navigation, speed, and warnings projected into your line of sight. The chassis is equipped with the active body control suspension on higher trims, which uses a camera to scan the road and adjust damping at each wheel to smooth out imperfections. Rear axle steering is also available, allowing for tighter turns and improved handling, reducing the turning radius by nearly 2 feet compared to previous models. As for pricing, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class starts at approximately $115,000 for the S500 4MATIC. The S580 4MATIC starts at around $125,000. Fully loaded with features such as the executive rear seat package, Burmester 4D sound, e-active body control, and high-end customizations, the price can easily exceed $150,000. AMG variants and Maybach versions are even more premium, pushing the price north of $200,000 depending on configuration. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is not just a car, it's a statement of engineering mastery, luxury, and vision. It brings the future into the present while honoring the legacy of the Mercedes brand. Whether you're being chauffeured or driving it yourself, the S-Class delivers an unmatched experience that few vehicles can rival in 2025.